Good morning, children. How are you? Yeah, I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are feeling very happy at your home as well as you are studying also. So, yesterday we have completed in the page number 31. This is here page number 31, children, 30. So, obviously this page is 31. So, we have completed till here the usage of grammar, understand grammar we have completed. Now we are going to see the next bit. Okay. When we talk about when WEV talk about something, SOMETHING, something that has already 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 happened, 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 we use was or were, was or were. When we talk about something that has already happened, we use was or were. So what does it mean, children? It means whenever it is anything has already happened, then what we are using? Was or were. If it is a singular, then we are using was. If it is a plural, then we are using the were. Let us see the examples, children. Lisa is in the garden. So the flowers are brown. So if it is a past tense, means already has happened. Lisa was in the garden. The flowers were brown. Here Lisa is single girls, children. So single girls, and there are no other girls. Only one girl, and she is Lisa and was. That is the reason here they have used was. The flowers are not only one flower, there are so many flowers. That is the reason we have here what we have done, were, W-E-R-E, were. Okay. Next one, do this exercise, children. This is the J bit. Fill in the blanks with was or were. Okay. It was lunch time. So what you have to write, children? Was, W-A-S, was. The children were, because only one child is not present. So many children were present. That is the reason what we have written here, were. What is the spelling for were? W-E-R-E. W-E-R-E, were. In the playground. Are you seeing this, children? So many children, they are playing. They were playing in the garden or playground. Yes. And next one. Some children, S-O-M-E, some. Whenever, if you are seeing this one, all the first letters are in the capital letter. Okay. The children were in the playground. Next, children. Some children were, W-E-R-E. Obviously, here also children came, here also children. So, were on the slide. Are you seeing this one? Some children are playing on the slide. Some children are playing in the seesaw. Okay, next. Some children were on the slide. Some children were, W-E-R-E, were running, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running around. Running around means that is one by one you will see. They are playing with the football. No, that is ball. They have not given in this picture. Okay. Lisa was wearing. Lisa was. What you have to write, children? Was. Wearing. W-A-R-I-N-G. Wearing her new school uniform. Here Lisa is present. Lisa is here. And what she is wearing? The new uniform. School uniform. And she was very happy. Yes. See this, children? S-H-E, she was. W-A-S, was very happy. Please write, children. Just pause the video and write. First one is was. Next one is were, was. Okay, next one. Turn the page, children. Page number 32. Page number what, children? 32. Now, what we have to do in the K bit? Use grammar. G-R-A-M-M-A-R, grammar. G-R-A-M-M-A-R, grammar. Okay. Work. W-R-A-K, work. W-R-A-K, work. In G-R-O-U-P-S, groups of 5. Groups of 5. Each child in the group will make a sentence about this picture. use the doing words is or are. What you have to use, children? Is or are. Shall we do? Yes. The girl is playing with pencil. The boy is playing with ball. She is reading a picture book. She is asking about a book. She is very happy at the bookstore, and the man is checking the book. The man is checking the book. Which one is to read? That one, no? Yes. And the bookseller sells the books. The bookseller is selling the books. Okay, that is doing. These are all doing verbs. Okay, children. Next one. Listen carefully. Your teacher will ask you some questions. Think and answer. Okay. Okay, I will just ask the questions. Why the fairy has turned all the flowers into brown color, children? You please tell me now this one. I want this answer in the audio form. You can send in the WhatsApp group. Okay, children. So I want only this only. I got the doubt, and you can ask. You can give me the answer. Okay. Speak well. Ambit. Work with your partner. W-O-R-K, work. W-I-T-H, with. Y-O-U-R, your partner. P-A-R-T-N-E-R, partner. Take turns to ask and answer. Take turns to ask and answer questions. What must we do or not to do or not do in these places? Okay, what we have to do in certain places and what we not to do in certain places, that you have to ask with your partner. Okay, you. What must we not to do in a garden? Your partner. We must not pluck flowers. You may use these words. Okay, here. You can ask, what must we not do in zoo? We must not tease the animals. What must not do in a moving bus? We must not read a book in a moving bus. What must we not do in our house? Or what should we do in our house? We must clean our house. Like this you can use. Okay. What must not be do on the road? We should not play on the road, or we must not play on the road. Like this you have to work in, ask your friends, and then you have to do. Okay, children. Next one is write well. Please, this children, look at the picture. Are you finding this picture very nice? Yes. Lisa is playing with her friend and they are very happy because they are playing with the ball. Okay, children. Next one. See, children, and bit. L-O-O-K, look at the picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. This picture you have to see. Okay. Complete the sentences. Lisa is in the park. Where is she, children? She is in the park. Please write down, children. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. S-H-E. She is with her friend. And then keep full stop. Okay. She is with her friend. She is with her friend. Please write down, children. Pause the video and write H-E-R, her, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. They, T-H-E-Y, they are playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing with a ball, B-A-L-L, ball, okay. They are very happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy, okay. First one is what? Lisa is in the park. She is with her friend. They are playing with a ball. They are very happy. Okay. Do and learn. Draw a flower you like and write a few words about it. Now use the words to write 2 sentences about the flower. Okay, children. So this one is flower. This is yellow in color. These have very soft petals. The flower is very beautiful. This is a beautiful sunflower. It has soft petals. Like this you have to write. Okay, you can draw the rose flower. You can draw the marigold.